Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here's another GCSE Maths exam style question. Make lowercase g the subject of the following formula. Be careful with this question because of the square root sign. That's where usually most people go wrong. Please pause the video and try this question. Let's have a look. Now, like I mentioned earlier, the problem here is the square root. Now, if you need to get rid of the square root, you need to do the opposite of square rooting, that is squaring. So we are going to square both sides. Now, the best way to square this one is, this is t on the left hand side. So let's write it twice. T times by itself. On the right hand side, we have 2 pi square root L over G. Now let's write this twice. 2 pi root L over G multiplied by 2 pi root L over G. This is how you do this question. Because I've seen people try to do this in their heads, and usually they make the mistake of not squaring this 2 pi. I've marked many exam papers and I've seen this in the past. People come up with, okay, square this one, they squared, and then they forget this bit and they get rid of the square root and they come up with that. And this is incorrect. So how is it done correctly? T times t is t squared. 2 times 2 is 4. Pi times pi is pi squared. Root L over G multiplied by root L over G is simply L over G. Now, this is like root 2 times root 2 is 2. Root 10 multiplied by square root 10 is 10. Like that, root L over G multiplied by itself is just L over G. Now, I need to make G the subject. So let's move G to the other side. So I get T squared G is equal to 4 pi squared L. Obviously, I need to get rid of t squared. So let's divide both sides by t squared. And these two gets cancelled out. So I get my final answer. Lowercase g is equal to 4 pi squared L divided by t squared.